So we promised we would update you on this mission to the moon.
That's right. As private companies now are preparing to send things to the moon, some bought by NASA, one of the companies that participated in a Google award for doing this first was Israel. And Israel had a probe called Beresheet, which is from the beginning of Genesis, in the beginning in Hebrew. And Beresheet was supposed to land on the moon and take some pictures. Well, on the way down, this is an actual picture with a little, banner that's hanging on the spacecraft with the moon looming behind it. It seemed to be going really well. It was very exciting, but at the very last moment, there was a problem with its attitude control, and someone tried to correct it and send a command to the spacecraft, which unfortunately shut down the descent engine. And by the time they realized what was happening, and I saw some very nervous people going, "Oh no, what have I done?" Turned it back on, but by then it was too late and the signal disappeared. So what happened to it? Well, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, our 12-inch telescope that's orbiting 30 miles above the moon and photographing all of it, NASA's, I should say, has located the crater. So this was taken before the Beresheet mission, and here it is now. So it did make it to the moon, but not the way they intended, and you can see that. Now, I have to say, I've heard a lot of snarky stuff, but NASA failed many times before they even were able to hit the moon. The Ranger program, there were 9 Ranger missions built at Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and seven of them were total failures. Or I should say, six of them were failures. Number 6 almost worked, except the camera covers didn't pop off. and so I mean, this is a private company. These are computer geeks got together and built this, and I think it's pretty amazing. So they're going to try again. All right.